it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different techniques to curl your hair using a flat iron. Who doesn't like beautifully styled hair? Hair can literally make or break your entire look. But most of the times we find ourselves struggling between different hair tools to serve different purposes. Straighteners, rollers, curling wands. What if there is just one tool that can fulfill most of our hair styling needs? Well, according to me, that one must-have hair tool is a flat iron. We've been using a basic flat iron for those sleek, shiny, straight hair since forever. But today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair in different ways using a basic flat iron that most of us already have. So if you're interested in this, make sure to watch this video till the end, share and give a thumbs up if you like it. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get started. The flat iron that I'll be using today is this super cute pink one from Aggarwal. I absolutely love this, not only because of its color, but because of how amazingly well it performs. Firstly, it features solid ceramic plates, which are great for most hair types. Then the temperature settings range from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And the best part, it has a dual voltage from 110 to 240 volts, which makes it an ideal travel companion. So as the first step, I've straightened my hair completely because my hair are very frizzy and curly, so it's very important to tame them first for those smooth shiny curls. And before that, I had also applied a heat protectant spray, which is very important to protect your hair from any heat damage. And now let's get on to curling them using 4 different techniques. First, we come to these classic flat iron curls. Smooth a section of the hair using a brush or comb. Grab your flat iron and place this section of hair between the plates. And now I'm going to rotate the straightener away from my face. Turn it 360 degrees and now slowly and gently pull it out straight till the end. Remember, the more horizontally you hold the irons, the tighter will be the curl. Now grab this section of hair and give it a twirl to gently shape the curl. Just be careful, it can be a little hot. I'm going to show you this technique once again. Smooth a section of hair, place between the flat iron plates and rotate it 360 degrees away from the face until the tail of this section is poking back out. Then gently pull your straightener down till you get to the end. Twirl it with your finger and you are done. These are my all-time favorite classic curls which you can never go wrong with. Next, we come to these soft beachy waves, which are super simple to create. Smooth a section of hair again. Now grab your flat iron and place the section of hair between the plates. Clamp the plates down about an inch or 2 from your roots. Hold the flat iron vertically at an angle like this and twist it halfway to 180 degrees away from the face. Slide it down gently till the end. Holding the flat iron vertically creates big bouncy coils. Once you're done curling all your hair, run your fingers through the loose curls to make them more wave-like. Now we come to these perfectly crimped waves, which are very easy to achieve. Make a regular 3-strand braid. And pull it out a little to increase the size. Don't take too much of hair at once though. Make a thin braid and pull out to make it wider. Now take the flat iron and gently press on the whole length of the braid like this. Allow it to cool for 10 to 15 seconds. Undo and release the braid for these beautiful mermaid-like waves.
Now for this next look, we are going to use the flat iron just like a curling wand. So for example, if you wanted to curl this section of hair using a curling wand, you would wrap your hair around it like this until it heats up and you are done. So with a flat iron, put it at the root of this hair section. From the front of the iron, wrap it around like it's a curling wand, and when it gets to the back, just pull it through the plaits, clip them together and then slide it gently till the end. Always give it a twist at the end. I'm going to show you again. Take a section of your hair. Step 1. Wrap it either away from the face or towards the face, whichever direction you want your curls to be. Step 2. Pull it through the plaits. Step 3. Clip. And step 4. Slide. It's simple to do and looks beautiful.
And that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. And do let me know in the comment section below which of these 4 techniques or styles did you like the best. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.